Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET2950 series. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents with this printer to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via a wireless network. And to do this, the way to do this is you need to go to the laptop settings. Go to laptop settings, select OK to the settings, then scroll down to network settings, select OK to network settings, then scroll down to Wi-Fi setup, then you select OK to Wi-Fi setup. The printer will look for the Wi-Fi network within the environment. Then you put the password. After you've done that, then you go back, go to Play Store and install Epson Smart Panel. Play Store, install Epson Smart Panel, then open. This is Epson Smart Panel. Then you select plus. It will show you set up a new product or connect a product already on the Wi-Fi network. Then you select connect product already on the Wi-Fi network. So it's going to search for the printer. So the printer is found. Then you select on the printer. It will show you connection is set up. Then you select OK. This is the printer and ink level. To scan documents to your mobile phone, open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. This is two-sided document. Make sure the paper starts from the right. You will see arrow on the right corner of the glass scanner. Close the cover. This is A4. From the app, select scan. Select the paper size as A4. If you are scanning different paper, you need to select on the size. Select the size of the paper you want to use. A4 is selected. Image type, color. If you want to scan black and white or grayscale, then you select black and white. So color is selected. Resolution, the maximum is 600 dpi on the phone. 300 is selected, so it's currently in standard. Remove background is off. Automatic rotation is off. Image format, PDF. Select on image format. If you are scanning image, then you select JPEG. So PDF is selected. Then you select start. We'll show you on the screen scanning. If you change your mind, select cancel or you select stop button to cancel the job. So the document is scanning. This is the document we scanned. To scan second page, open the glass scanner, turn the document the other way around, close the cover, then select plus scan to scan the second page. You can do this as many as you like. So we are capturing this document from physical to digital. This is the second page. This is the first one, second page. If you want to delete this document, then you select this delete icon to delete the document. And once you scan this document finish, you can do this as many as you like I said. Once you finish, then select next. Then you select where you want to save the file name. Then you select location. Select use this folder. Select allow. You can give the file name if you like. So I'm going to give the file name. Then select save. So the file is saved. Then it will ask you go back to the home page. I'm going to select no because I want us to print this document out. To print it out, you select icon. Once you select the share icon, it gives you platforms you can share the document with. Epson Smart Panel from the list. So the document is attached to Epson Smart Panel. This is the document, 2-page document. Select print settings. Select the size as A4. pages, you want to print 1 to 2. If you are printing different size, you need to select on the size and select the correct paper. So A4 is selected, paper type, media, plain paper, layouts, borders, print quality, standard, source, real paper tray, color. I want us to print it in color. Two-sided printing, long edge, want to print it two-sided. Then you select number of copies, select done. Once you select the color, the paper color will change. If you select black and white, the color will change to black and white. So color is selected, then you select print. This is the document. We scanned and printed it out in color, two-sided. You can print this document black and white. You can print it in color just like we did. Thank you very much indeed. While you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.